English Spoken Course Day 11. Past Simple Tense talking about yesterday. Video intro opening script. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English Spoken Course. This is Day 11. In Day 10 we learned how to speak about our daily routine, how to use present simple tense correctly. Today we will learn something very important. How to talk about the past, what we did yesterday or in the past. Past tense is very useful for daily conversations, storytelling, talking about your experiences. So let's start. Today's learning goals. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to talk about actions that happened yesterday. Use past simple tense correctly. Speak confidently about your past daily activities. Part 1. What is past simple tense? Past simple tense is used to talk about actions completed in the past. Things you did yesterday, last night, last week, etc. Examples. I woke up early yesterday. She went to school yesterday. They played cricket in the evening. Part 2. Sentence structure. Regular verbs. Subject plus verb plus ed plus object. Examples. I watched TV. We studied English. She cleaned her room. He helped his father. Irregular verbs. Some verbs do not take ed, their past form is different. Examples. Go or went. Eat ate. See saw. Come a came. Take a took. Do right arrow did. Part 3. Past simple sentences practice. Repeat after me. I studied English yesterday. She cooked dinner last night. We went to the market. He watched a movie. They played football in the evening. Part 4. Making questions past simple. Structure. Did plus subject plus base verb. Examples. Did you study English yesterday? Did she go to school? Did they play cricket? Short answers. Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Yes, she did. No, they didn't. Part 5. Negative sentences. Structure. Subject plus did not didn't plus base verb. Examples. I did not watch TV. She didn't go to school. We didn't play football. Part 6. Common mistakes. I did went to school. I went to school. She did cooked food. She cooked food. He didn't went home. He didn't go home. Part 7. Practice exercise. Fill in the blanks. I study English yesterday. She cook dinner last night. They go to the park. We watch TV in the evening. He eat an apple. Answers. Studied. Cooked. Went. Watched. Ate. Part 8. Speaking practice 1-2 minutes. Practice speaking aloud. Yesterday I woke up early. I studied English in the morning. In the evening I watched TV. I ate dinner with my family and went to bed early. Motivation line. If you want to speak English fluently, practice talking about yesterday every day. Outro. If you like this lesson, like, subscribe, press the bell icon. Tomorrow we will learn Day 12, asking questions and making answers in English.